were on vacation and we were actually staying at the White Elephant Resort or Hotel in Nantucket. Very quaint, cute place. Of course, it's all white. We did love the name, but while we were there, we were really talking about the house a lot and all the things we were going to do. And Grant had a tendency to maybe call it the money pit.
The money pit.
We were like, well, we're not really sure what we're gonna get. And then the more we talked through, like, well, it could be a money pit. It could be like, oh my gosh, we don't know what we're getting here.
Yeah.
And we were like, it's perfect. It's the perfect name, the White Elephant. And of course, the whole thing will be painted white inside and
And it's
out.
a large house, so it,
The elephant part works.
so it works for a bunch of different reasons.
Today I'm going to give you a little tour of the master closet in the before stage or medium stage, I guess, middle stage. So a little explanation of where we are. So this area right here marked the old closet. So from here over to here was the old closet. This door existed previously, and we're going to keep it. There was a big island that came out here, and then another door here. So we're closing this door in because we have to add an air conditioning unit on the other side. So this is going away. There'll be a wall here. So we'll go ahead and add some great closet storage on this wall. What we have wrapped then on this wall was existing. So we're going to clean this up, paint it, get it all fresh and new, but that's going to stay like it is because, don't fix it if it's not broken. Lighting here, there were 3 things here previously. We're going to put one beautiful chandelier in the center of this area. And then as we move on into the new closet, so where that divider was, this was like a sitting room off the master bedroom that we just felt like we didn't need. The house is really big, the master bedroom's really big. So we decided we really needed a very luxurious master closet for the size of this home and what it is. So we took this room as the closet, took the wall down. We are closing off the entry to the master bedroom that used to be there. We're going to add a stackable washer and dryer, which will be fabulous. We won't have to leave the closet to do our laundry. And then on the back wall, add more storage. We're not sure exactly what that looks like yet, but we're going to see, add what we think we need after we kind of get it put back together again. Beautiful area rugs going in here, another chandelier on this side, and then maybe some rolling racks, some beautiful, like really easy garment racks, something that's very versatile we'll put over here for storage. So we'll just see how that goes, but that's a little before tour of the master closet. Here we are in the kitchen of the White Elephant. This, of course, is our temporary kitchen. Believe it or not, this is the kitchen that was in here prior to us owning the house. We never even actually got to see these cabinets because they were stacked in the garage because there was no floor in this kitchen. We had to, once the floors were repaired and the new floors went in, our team had to reassemble this. So it was a bit of a puzzle, putting everything back together for us to use temporarily. It's going to be a couple months before the new kitchen comes. But my domain, super excited. The new kitchen is, I would say, transitional. And the colors that we're using throughout the house are very earthy and natural and organic is kind of the flavor that we're going for. And so here on all of the perimeter cabinets, we're gonna do kind of an off-white cabinet actually. Not super off-white, but just a very, very soft. And then the island is this color that's amazing, and it's a deep, deep dark green. You can't really tell it's green a lot until the sun hits it just right. So it's green, it's black, it's gray. It's amazing. So that will be on the island here, and it will also be on the beverage wall. So that's really exciting. So we'll have a big bar in the billiard room, but also in here we're gonna have a beverage wall, which will have a wine refrigerator, ice maker, refrigerator drawers, just super convenient for being in the den or being here in the kitchen. So, but here the layout is going to be a little similar. We will have a large island, a little bigger than this one, large sink, 2 dishwashers, because we like to entertain. The cooktop will be on this wall, much larger. and not a lot of upper cabinets on this wall, so I'm super excited about that. We're gonna have some stone going up the wall, beautiful light fixtures on either side of the hood. We're gonna move the refrigerator, freezer, and double ovens to this wall. So that will take up a majority of this space. And then the far wall will have lots of pantry cabinets and some more entertaining space with some uppers and lowers on that side. So we can't wait. We have a couple months to go before the new kitchen comes, but I am so excited to entertain in here. Super excited. Busy day working on doors. Being able to walk into here, doors, more doors. Yay, new door. It's really pretty. I love the profile. It has a little shaker look, but a little detail on it too. Really adds a little extra something special. Moving day here, moving to the second floor and into the 3 bedrooms, went fairly well. Here we are in our living room, which is really a bedroom. We've had a busy day, so we're relaxing. I'll swivel around to see there's George. Sophie's on my lap. We couldn't really quite fit the sofa into the room, so Grant had to take off the door and the door stop. So, but it's here. So this is our little makeshift living room, and we're gonna make the best of it.
We moved upstairs.
We moved upstairs. So we're living in 3 bedrooms upstairs. We decided one room was the living room, one room is the master bedroom, and one room is Adam's room, my son, who's 12. And then we're able to use the full kitchen downstairs. We built a temporary railing up all the way across. Our railing will not be here for another month. So we have temporary, we do have a dog gate across there to help with the dogs. But I'll just show you real quick what the landing looks like. So you can kind of really enjoy some of this before and after. There's George. So we have no flooring up here. This is getting hardwood eventually. So we just put a couple pieces of carpet. This has been the drop zone. You know, when you move, then you have that place where all the boxes and crap go. That's what this is. So the rule is no shoes allowed in the bedrooms. This is another look at our little living room area. TV on the floor. Pretty basic. And then here we have this great Jack and Jill bathroom. So that's awesome for us. Obviously we're still unpacking stuff everywhere. This is our master bedroom. So just the frame and the bed, no headboard or anything else, but luckily we do have shutters on the window already. So we do have some light control. Lots more happening around here.
How do you feel about living in a construction site?
I don't mind it at all. There's some freedom to that. I don't have to clean anything. Everything's dirty, so it just stays dirty and there's no pressure. So I can just sit back and enjoy. And how do you feel about it?
It's not a problem.
Oh, I thought you were stressed.
No, not really.
Good for you.
That's right.
So far, so good. We have vodka, we have wine, we have a pool.
What else do you need?
We have each other.
That's right.
Getting the scaffolding ready to hang my favorite light fixture. This guy. And Sophie and George are supervising. One there. Oh my goodness, that is scary. We have moved our belongings in, so it's a mess. Still lots of unpacking to do. This is the way to our master bedroom. You would not believe it, but we're living in here with workers outside. So that's fun. So today, the guys are outside pouring concrete around the hot tub. It's driving George and Sophie a little nuts today. Grant's out there with the guys. So this was all done to keep the water away from the house. So that was empty deck space before. So we waterproofed and filled that in. Keeping the hot tub, we're going to resurface that at some point, but then this is just going to be a concrete deck that will be able to put some tile on, and we're actually going to do a shell stone. So the shell stone will go around there. And then we'll just have to figure out a few other things, but put some pots and make it look nice. But yeah, progress. Sorry, George. In terms of design styles, Grant and I have very differing opinions. You like very modern, clean line, square
squared off,
things.
masculine.
Everything should be square, black, and white in his brain.
She likes curly cues, which drive me crazy.
I like just like a couple of them.
Yeah.
Not a lot of them. Yeah, so what we decided is that Grant is really good at building and I'm really good at designing. So
Exactly.
he's in charge of all of this construction and I'm in charge of all the design. So we compartmentalize very well. He says we need to do this and I'm like, cool, you do that. How much does it cost? And so he gets to make those construction decisions and I make the design ones.
Exactly. Makes for a perfect marriage.